What's up, guys? If you ever had your garage door not open correctly, it gets stuck halfway like this. I'm going to show you how to fix it. So the issue is this is bent right here. So all we want to do is get some pliers. And you're just going to work on bending it back. Trying to get it as straight as you can. Just using the torque of the pliers open like that. Looks pretty good. Should probably be using cheaper pliers than this. Alright, let's test it out. Alright, and once you go through the whole rail, just kind of make sure there's no little dings and bends and stuff. Make sure everything looks straight. And then it should work.